Day 12 of being a chef on a yacht. Woke up and made some poached eggs for breakfast. Served that with some toast, a cheese and meat platter, and fresh fruit. After breakfast, I started lunch prep. I'm making a salad with tomato, avocado, and goat cheese. And to go with the salad, I'm making tamales. Just throw them into some boiling water and they're good to go. I dress and garnish my salad, plate up my tamales, and lunch is served. There was a guest that couldn't eat the tamales, so I made him salmon. Had some local cinnamon raisin bread, and oh my gosh, it was ridiculous. Right after lunch, I started dinner prep. Tonight, I'm making chicken paprikash, which is a Hungarian dish. I season my chicken drumsticks with salt, pepper, and Hungarian paprika. Sear the drumsticks, and then put in chicken stock and tomato sauce. And I'll braise the chicken for a few hours. Now, I'm making a squash and goat cheese souffle. I threw in milk, eggs, goat cheese, season it up, and then put my squash in. Bake that off until it's golden brown. I checked on my chicken and it was nice and tender. Dropped in my egg noodles, set the table upstairs for dinner, and then plated the meal. And lastly, I garnished it with a pesto. While the guests are having their meal, we'll have our crew meal. After dinner service, we'll clean up. Jerry said he wanted to be the chef for the night, so I let him wear my apron. After we cleaned up, I made some overnight oats to be prepared for tomorrow morning. I made a cinnamon blueberry and a chocolate peanut butter one. Went to go water my basil plant and called it a night. Bye, little chef.